Hey guys, it's Seventh Geek, and today I just wanted to do a little test on Flash versus Silverlight. Now, on an analyst report, I'm going to read you why people think Silverlight is actually worse than Flash. But according to Microsoft's, corporate website, it's not. According to Microsoft's corporate website, apparently, Silverlight is infinitely better than Flash in every single direction, including video and sound. But let's read what the analyst had to say. Silverlight is missing Linux support. So many people using Linux machines cannot run it on their machines and will have to stick to Windows and Mac OS 10. Flash, this limitation doesn't exist in Flash. Silverlight will naturally be using Windows Media Video and will add to the use of the Windows Media Video file format. Using the Windows Media Video file format essentially makes Silverlight useless for the vast majority of websites such as YouTube. It cannot play AVI and it cannot play QuickTime files. Flash Video, and here's Flash's answer to that. Flash Video turned Flash into a mechanism for delivering media with far more potential than any other solution that is .flv. No doubt Flash has also limitation to play other video files. For that, Flash required codec for the player is installed in the client's machine. Silverlight has no support for binding to models, binding data, or even connecting to network resources to obtain data. Even though Flash is lacking in this area, Flash can read data source in terms of XML or text from some URL and can use it. Same thing Silverlight can also read. Silverlight doesn't even have support for things that should be considered a stock of part of any library, such as buttons, checks boxes, list views, grids, etc. Probably in future releases, may Microsoft support it. Flash has a rich set of control library in comparison to Silverlight. Another Silverlight limitation. Once the accessibility of the features are provided with Silverlight versions, any existing test tools that are supporting the UI accessibility will be fully enabled to automate Silverlight applications. Flash test tools are already in place. Silverlight 1.0 does not support the GIF format. Even it doesn't support. Wow, nice grammar. Even it doesn't support the BMP and other file format. It only supports JPEG and PNG. Flash supports all image formats. Silverlight cannot do sound processing. With some media file sound, Flash can process sound. Socket programming is not possible. Flash allows creating XML socket objects. Silverlight cannot per pixel bitmap editing, bitmap filters, bitmap effects, drop shadow, blur, glow cannot be done. Flash can do it. Webcam and microphone are not supported in Silverlight. Flash supports it. Built-in file upload and download is not available. Built-in file upload and download is available in Flash. The performance of Silverlight and Flash will be nearly the same, while Silverlight is using XAML, description language, in a non-compressed format size of Silverlight. In comparison, Silverlight component is large in practical implementation of a similar component in Flash, and Silverlight, it has found the size of Silverlight component to be approximately 10 to 20 times larger than the Flash component. Size of the Flash component is smaller than any Silverlight equivalent. To deploy Silverlight to a client browser, more than one component ship. Wow. Well, basically, you get the point. Silverlight sucks. And I know what you're saying. But Samuel, show us. You got it. Let's do some stress tests. Here we go. Here's flash. We're going to bring this baby down to, let's get it to 20. There we go. 20 frames per second. And it slowly rebuilds. Now let's do the Silverlight. But first we gotta wait for the tremendous 10 times bigger size Silverlight file to load. Alright. As you can see, Silverlight can handle more. But it also took more. Oh, whoa, whoa! Silverlight's crashing. It's crashing. Ha! 16. What? Whoa. Better stop it before my browser freezes. Damn. Alright. Let's do something very easy. Let's do the fisheye menu. Let's pull it up in Flash. See how fast it can handle it. See, it's supposed to be like this. Let's go faster. Faster. Alright. Let's do Silverlight. Wow. You mean to tell me that Silverlight's this shitty? Alright. The only way I can get the Silverlight to act properly is if I go this slow. Otherwise, it sucks. Okay. Let's do 3D image rotation. Flash. There's your 3D image rotation. Let's do Silverlight. Silverlight's a bit faster in this test. But it freezes every once in a while. As you can see, the frame rate breaks up. So, what else? Let's do simple drawing. Alright. Now let's see Silverlight. Silverlight. .3D image space. Let's do Flash. Alright. Now let's do Silverlight. Wow. It's a lot slower in the 3D tests in comparison to Flash. Alright. Do the grid transition rotator. Flash. This is Flash 10 versus Silverlight. I think it's like 1.1 or something like that. Whatever the current version is, I just downloaded it yesterday. Do Silverlight. It seems like on some colors it's slow, on some colors it's faster. Hmm. Very weird. Well, I personally think that Silverlight is shit. I've tried it on Microsoft's website, and Microsoft's the only website I've actually found that actually uses it. And that sucks that it only works with Windows media formats. It sucks that they don't have Linux support, because if they were smart, that's what the first platform they put it on. Because, duh, half the servers in the world are ran on Linux. And if you don't have, that field covered, people are not going to use it. Overall, I think that Silverlight, if it even wants to be close to Flash, if it even wants to touch Flash, if it even wants to, in the smallest, tiniest way, compete with Flash, Microsoft needs to get its head out of its ass, stop with the proprietary bullshit, make a Linux version, catch up with Flash. Right now, Silverlight, I'd compare it to something like Shockwave. You fucker. Do you guys remember Shockwave? That's Silverlight. So, I think we'll do one more before we go. Oh, loading an external image. Okay. Now let's do Silverlight. Wow, I had to load that. The fuck? Alright. Silverlight's a lot faster. I'll give you that. So, in your opinion, what do you think is better right now? Flash or Silverlight? Of course, you're watching this in Flash, so you're somewhat biased. But, from my personal experiences and from what I've seen and from what I've experienced, Silverlight has caused my browser to crash 3 times on me. And I know it's not because I'm using a beta Firefox, because I went back to regular Firefox. I tried in Safari, and it's just, wow. Now let's open up pop-up. Let's see. Let's use a JavaScript. I'll do one more test. Open pop-up. Shit, I forgot to allow pop-ups. Open pop-up. Change background. Change title. What does change title mean? I don't know if that's supposed to do anything. Let's do Silverlight. Open pop-up. Change background. Change title. So yeah. Tell me what you guys think. Do you think Silverlight has potential to catch up to Flash? Do you think that Flash will always be superior due to its market share and it's more open? Well, it's not open source, but it's way more open to formats. When Microsoft wants to keep Silverlight under the Windows proprietary Microsoft bullshit, and it seems like that's a really dumb idea. I'm even surprised that Silverlight had a Mac OS 10 version. So, leave your thoughts. I'm very interested to find out, because I honestly think Silverlight is shit from what I've used in the past 2 days.